Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. As always, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. In the previous videos, we have been checking out a software called Deepbrain AI. This is a software used to create videos. You can do that a bunch of different ways. You are seeing some of those ways on screen right now. You can screen record your screen and then edit it inside of the editor that the software has. You can write prompts for the software to create videos or images. You can even create a script using a tool that the software has in alliance with ChatGPT. You can dub videos that you have already created or videos that you upload, and the software then can translate those videos into different languages. We have been checking out all of these tools in previous videos. If you haven't checked them out, I really invite you to go to the channel, subscribe and check them out so you can get up to speed on how this software works. And on this video, we're going to be checking out one of the other tools that the software has. You're seeing on screen right now the tool where you can import a PDF or a PPT file and then the software can create a video. That is exactly what we're going to be doing. Then we're going to be using those slides that the software creates to choose an avatar and then create a finished video. I am using one of the paid plans of this software. If you want to use one of those as well, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you guys to use. And without further ado, I'm going to make my face disappear so you can see my screen better, and I'll see you guys in the end. So these are some of the projects that we have been creating in the previous videos. We have created videos using prompts. We have created avatar videos, checking out the different avatars in the library. But as I was telling you just some seconds ago, in this video, we're going to be using this tool, the one that says import PPT or PDF files. I have already downloaded a PDF file that is a manual for a ring light, one of the ring lights that I use for my videos. So if you click on that option right here, you can drag your files right here or you can upload them. This is the manual that I was telling you just now. You can also download a sample for you to upload to the software and see what the software does. But let's just use this PDF and see what it does. If we click on convert to project, the software is going to take a couple of minutes to convert that PDF into scenes. Right here we have an avatar speaking the manual. We have been given 5 different scenes in which the avatar is explaining the manual of the ring light. We can further create this video using the ChatGPT script assistant, as I was telling you just some seconds ago. And if we give it a little short instruction, for example, introduction to a ring light manual, we can generate a script that matches what is being shown on that part of the video, on that scene. This is the script that the software creates. You can redo it using these arrows right here, or if it's looking like you want it to, you can just apply it to that scene. You can do that in the different scenes. This, for example, scene number 2 is the different parts of the ring light, parts of a light ring. We can once again generate the script. The software just takes a couple of seconds to create it. We can apply it to scene number 2. In scene number 3, we are seeing right now that these are the operating instructions. So that is what we can tell the script generator to do, operating instructions of a ring light. We can then apply it, and we can do that in each specific scene. This is just a continuation of this other scene. So let's just say part 2. And on the final scene, we are given the technical specifications of the ring light. So we can generate that script once again. We can apply it and we can further edit it so it matches what is being shown on the video. Select from 400 to 4000 so it matches what is being shown on the manual. And you can do that in each specific scene so it matches better what is being shown on screen. This is just the avatar that the software selected as a default, but if we go right here to model, we can pick out from a bunch of different ones. We can select, for example, Hayden, we can select Mark, we can select all of these other different avatars. And if we click on play, we're going to hear what this script on this specific scene is going to be sounding like, but the avatar is not going to move its mouth just yet.
Welcome to your new ring light manual. This guide will help you understand how to set up and use your ring light effectively. Whether you're a content...
And you can change the avatar if you don't like the voice that is being spoken, or you can select right here on the top right from a different voice and different accents inside of the library of the software. These are the studio avatars that we are checking out in this library, but there are other AI generated avatars. For example, this one. This looks a bit more AI generated, but we can pick her just to see what we can get in different scenes. Right now, she's just selected on scene number 1. On scene number 2, we still have Ian, and we can change each of the avatar scenes so it looks a bit more diverse, let's say. If we go back to models, we can even create our own avatar if we upload a video of ourselves. But I'm just going to pick out a different one. So in each scene, we have a different avatar. Let's say in this one, let's pick Mia. And on the final one, let's say we want to pick Philip. You can even add captions. If you click on this option right here, generate captions, they are going to be added to the specific scenes. Once they have been created, you can download it in this SRT file for you to use in different projects, in upcoming projects as well. Now we have captions for this specific scene, and you can check out in which second exactly this caption is being added. And you can do that in each of the scenes. You can generate the captions, for example, for scene 1 as well. You just need to wait a couple of seconds for the software to do that. As I showed you on previous videos as well, you can even add media to specific scenes. You can select from a bunch of different assets inside of Pixabay or Shutterstock for videos, and also for images. You can even generate your own videos and images using prompts inside of the software. You can add shapes to further emphasize parts of the script. Let's say that this arrow is going to be pointing at this part of the manual, let's say. You can add triangles or any shapes that you want. You can add text if you want to emphasize a part of a specific scene, such as this one. Once again, you can change the models, and you can choose from templates as well if you want the project to follow one specific template. Once everything's looking like you want it to, you can just click on export, and then you can export the entire video or just the audio. I'm going to export both audio and video. So I'm just going to click on this option, and then the software is going to process the video, and it's going to take a couple of minutes to do that. You can check out the specific percentage that is being processed in this part of the software. So after a couple of minutes, the software has already rendered the video. We can check it out using this option that says view video.
Welcome to your new ring light manual. This guide will help you understand how to set up and use your ring light effectively. Whether you're a content creator, a photographer, or just looking to enhance your lighting for video calls, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the features, setup instructions, and tips for getting the best results. With the right techniques, you'll be amazed at how
you make the most of your lighting setup. First, we have the outer ring, which houses the lights and provides a sleek design. Next, the light bulbs themselves, typically LED, offer brightness and energy efficiency. Don't forget the power source, usually a plug or battery, that keeps everything running smoothly.
First, plug in your ring light and turn it on using the switch located on the cord. Adjust the brightness by using the dimmer control, which is typically a dial or button. Next, you can change the color temperature to suit your needs. Most ring lights have options ranging from warm to cool light. Finally,
lighting experience. First, adjust the brightness levels using the dimmer switch. This allows you to create the perfect ambiance for any setting. Next, experiment with color temperature settings. Switching between warm and cool tones.
Lighting tools essential for photography and video. First up, let's talk about the size. Most ring lights range from 10 to 18 inches in diameter, providing ample illumination for various setups. Next, consider the color temperature, which typically ranges from 400K to 4. Finally, many ring lights come with adjustable. Hope this helps you choose the perfect ring light for your needs.
As you see, the final video is just an explainer video of the PDF file that we uploaded, the manual for the ring light. In each of the scenes, we selected a different avatar, and it looks very natural. All of them have very natural gestures, the way in which they move their mouths, in which the script is spoken. All of it looks really natural, and the information is provided in a very professional manner. In this part, you can share the link of the video. You want to share it, let's say, with a coworker. You can download it locally to your computer for you to use in different projects. You can also dub the video. We did that in one of the previous videos. You can change the language of the original video to a bunch of different ones inside of the library of Deepbrain. You can comment on the video, or you can promote it for it to reach a bigger audience. As you saw, creating a video based on a file is really easy and intuitive using Deepbrain. We just uploaded a PDF file and the software took a couple of minutes to extract all of those images and then create slides and scenes based on that document. You can select from a bunch of different avatars inside of the software for them to match exactly what you want to achieve with the final video. Once again, my name is Santiago. I really hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.